Good morning, students. How are you all doing? I hope you are all doing fine. Today, let's start with the sounds of alphabet. As you already know the alphabets, right? Yes, it has 26 letters. Let us sing the song of alphabets first. Right? Let's start. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, so this was the alphabet song. These letters have their own sound and they are all different from each other. So, let's start with letter A. A says A. A says A. A apple. A apple. B says bah. B says bah. B ball. B ball. C says k. C says k. C k. Candy. C k. Candy. D says da. D says da. D doll. D doll. E says a. E says a. Egg. Egg. F says f. F says f. F for fairy. F for fairy. G says g. G says g. G goose. G goose. H says ha. H says ha. H hat. H hat. I says E. I says E. Igloo. Igloo. J says ja. J says ja. J jelly. J jelly. K says ka. K says ka. K kangaroo. K kangaroo. L says la. L says la. L lemon. L lemon. M says m. M says m. M monkey. M monkey. N says n. N says n. N needle. N needle. O says o. O says o. O orange. O orange. P says p. P says p. P pizza. P pizza. Q says qua. Q says qua. Q queen. Queen. Q queen. R says r. R says r. R rat. R rat. S says ship. S ship. T says star. T says star. T teddy. T teddy. U says U says U umbrella. U umbrella. V says V. V says V. V violin. V violin. W says W. W says W. W watch. W watch. X says X. X says X. Xmas tree. Xmas tree. Y says Y. Y says Y. Y yak. Y yak. Z says Z. Z says Z. Z zebra. Z zebra. So, these were the sound of the alphabets.